Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest POV experience with Aziz Drives. Today we have this Mercedes-Benz CLS63 AMG, which has a 5.5 liter B-turbo engine and feels very classy and beautiful to sit in. We are currently in eco mode, which means we are very easy driving around a little bit and enjoying the car to its fullest. As you can see, it uses about 11 liters. We drove it at 10. Mercedes-Benz says the car can use about 9. Sorry. The car can use about 9.9 liters of fuel easily. And when you step on the throttle, of course, a little more. What I love about this car is the incredible looks. It looks absolutely wonderful from the outside. If you want to see that video, make sure to check out the link we put into the description. And what I love also is, of course, the performance. It isn't going to be the fastest car on the straight because it's pretty heavy, it has over 2 tons, but it's going to be an incredible driving machine on the straights. So cornering, not that fast, straights, incredible. So because we are in an AMG, we have a lot of options to choose from. We have this little gear knob down here where you can choose from classic or comfort mode. You can go to sport, sport plus, manual. When you press the AMG button, it makes the settings you pre-adjusted in here. This one is set to manual. The dampers are set to sport plus, and the ESP is on. You could turn the ESP off if you want to. So in classic mode, as you can see, in comfort mode, it accelerates only from second gear. It doesn't even use the first gear because the car has so much power and torque, you don't even need the first gear. But what we can do now is we can turn this little knob to sport plus, roll at 30 kph, roll down a little bit, and then you step on the throttle. That's what I call power, my friend. M157 5.5 liter engine. Let's turn off the ESP because it's necessary. It's necessary. We only have the rear wheel drive system. So, all right, manual mode. AMG button on. Ooh. Holy shit. You saw that? It has a slight delay when shifting up. Look at that. It shows you when to shift up in the speedometer. Wow. It has a slight delay, but the 7-speed MCT gearbox is still a brilliant gearbox. Really feels rock solid. And you can shift through the gears effortlessly. Just enjoy, chill a little bit. And when you want it, you really shift down a gear. Shift down a second gear. You hear that incredible V8 B-turbo noise, and then as soon as it opens up from 0, or let's say from 20 kph, let's go. Wow. It's kind of difficult to shift because the gearbox is really slow in shifting up. That's why we will leave it now in Sport Plus. It does it the best itself. You see that? Pow! At 6,000 RPMs, it shifts into a higher gear. It's really a brilliant car for straight acceleration. And when we look at the Brabus department or the tuning department, they have cars like this that drive over 350 kph. The maximum speed a CLS drove was almost 400. Imagine driving 400 kph with a CLS AMG. Oh, there is a car that I would consider to be the after or the new version of the CLS in terms of class, and it's the AMG GT 4-door. At the front of us, we have the predecessor of all of those Grand Coupes, and it's the CLS63 AMG. And I mean, the car, when it originally came out in 2005, I was shocked. One passed by me, a Bordeaux red one, and I instantly fell in love. I thought, my God, this is such a charismatic and beautiful car. And I still to this day think it's an absolute beautiful machine. It's really brilliant. It's a fantastic car. So we are in Sport Plus. Can we keep up with this GT63S? You see that car in front? It looks very, very big and wide, etc. And this is such a gentleman of a car, such a beautiful machine. It looks like an absolute mafia boss from the outside, but then you sit inside of this cabinet. Wood all around, beautiful leather, beautiful feel, beautiful stitching, beautiful Alcantara. Everything is really, really great. I really like that about the car. And when you want, let's see, you just accelerate a little. Ah, yeah, fourth gear. That's what I love, that 5.5 liter B-turbo. Wow. Just listen to that. Times pre-OPF. So white car, man. Okay, we're going to be at an 80 zone. Let's see. He's driving pretty slow, to be honest. We might need to overtake him. I know it's a little bit stupid and it has 639 horsepower, but when you don't use them, you will get overtaken. Whoa, no chance. What a lunatic. Well, that was quite fun, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this car is brilliant. You can provoke people pretty easily to, to drive fast, to experience this particular machine. And AMG guys love the taste of AMGs. So I will now just turn this off and drive.